Looking to run virtual machines on a mini PC without breaking a sweat? You're in the right place. Welcome back to the Mini PC Tech Channel, where we talk about all things mini PC. I'm a retired software engineer with over 40 years of experience in software, electrical engineering, and cybersecurity. And I own and manage 5 mini PCs. Today, we're diving into how you can enhance virtualization efficiency on your mini PC. From choosing the right hardware to optimizing your setup, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. If this sounds like the content you're into, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. First, let's talk about why mini PCs are great for virtualization. They're compact. They fit in small spaces, making them perfect for home labs or tight office setups. Mini PCs consume significantly less power than desktops, saving you money and being eco-friendly. With prices starting as low as $150, they're an excellent budget-friendly option for virtual environments. But remember, they pack a punch only when paired with the right hardware and setup. Let's move on to choosing the best hardware for virtualization. When it comes to virtualization, hardware matters. You'll need at least 16 GB for running multiple virtual machines smoothly. The more virtual machines you have running, the more memory you will need. Go for at least a 128 GB SSD or NVMe drive for faster access speeds. Each virtual machine will take at least 20 GB of storage. Make sure it supports Intel VTX or AMD V for optimized virtualization. If you're just experimenting, an 8 GB RAM mini PC can handle 1 or 2 virtual machines, but performance will be limited. For recommendations, check out the links in the description. Next, let's talk hypervisors. The hypervisor you choose determines how well your virtual machines will run. Type 1 hypervisors are at the operating system level, but it forces you to use the machine for only virtualization. Type 2 is running a program on top of the operating system. More flexibility, but slower. VirtualBox is a Type 2 hypervisor. Free and easy to use, perfect for beginners. VMware Workstation is a Type 2 hypervisor. It is ideal for advanced setups or testing environments. It is available for free as well. Proxmoxve is a Type 1 hypervisor, also available for free. It combines virtualization and containerization for hybrid setups. Pick the one that aligns with your needs, and remember, compatibility with your mini PC hardware is key. Once you've chosen your hypervisor, it's time to set up your virtual machines. The first step is to install your hypervisor software. Once you've done that, allocate CPU cores, RAM, and storage based on the needs of each VM. Finally, install the guest operating system and configure network settings. Be sure to avoid overcommitting resources. Leave enough for your host system to run smoothly. To keep your virtualized environment efficient and secure, follow these tips. First, performance monitoring. Use your hypervisor's tools to track CPU, RAM, and disk usage. Take security measures seriously. Enable firewalls, antivirus, and apply regular updates to your hypervisor. Finally, back up your work. Take snapshots of your VMs regularly to recover from unexpected issues. These small steps will keep your virtual machines running like a dream. The future of virtualization on mini PCs looks promising. Advancements in CPU performance, increased RAM capacity, and AI-driven optimization are just the start. And with containerization tools like Docker, you can push your mini PC to new heights. So there you have it. With the right hardware, hypervisor, and a focus on security, your mini PC can become a virtualization powerhouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you're using your mini PC for virtualization. I'd love to hear about your setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Mini PC Tech.